in this issue. Mr. Hilpert also painted these coronation portraits of King George V and Queen Mary. At Villers-Coblet, James Williams, who is a Frenchman in spite of his names, is about to make a demonstration of parachute jumping with a difference. He's not content with one shoot, he uses a series of them. At 2,500 feet he starts. But it's too easy, too insipid, so he takes another drop. Then the next parachute opens. The nearer the ground, the more risky it becomes, but it's certainly a quicker and more direct way of coming down, a sort of express lift. Aerial inventiveness also breaks out in California.